Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I am Samyukta Vidhu. So today's video is going to be the product empties video. So I've used a few products like both skincare, hair care and makeup related products. So I would like to share my thoughts on the products which have already emptied. So I would highly recommend you to see such videos so that the bloggers or the users would have completed the whole of the product and they will know better about the product, so they can give you a thought on that whether to buy or not to buy. So I have a bunch of products with me and I would like to share my thoughts on them. So let's start. So the first one, I'll just go with a random thing. So the first on the list is this hair Spa Shampoo from the L'Oreal, and this is a smoothing. There are various, like there are 3 variants with them, like smooth revival, like total damage control, something like that. I'm not sure, but there are 3 variants in them. And this one is smooth revival shampoo, and it is for smoothing of your hairs. So this is very good for, you can use it on a daily basis, on a regular basis also. And if you have a chemically treated hair, like hair smoothing or hair straightening or something, this is a very good option you could try, and it is quite affordable. And compared to the products, shampoos which are meant for this kind of chemically treated hairs, I think this is quite an older price. I'm not sure of the current price. The older price was rupees 400 for 230 ml of a product, and if you are going to use it on a regular basis, there are bigger version also. I think 900 ml or 1 liter bottle also. You can go and check them out too, and you can get it in a bulk in the cosmetic stores or in parlors or anything. You can get them and you can very well use it. This is ideal for especially chemically treated hairs. You can go with this. If not, also you can very well use this shampoo. It is for hair care, that is Serum. This is a very good option, affordable option for those who are looking for a serum that is silk and shine. It is easily available, and you can very well get it in almost all the medical stores or any departmental stores. You'll get them, and you have various sizes also. The smaller size is also available and the bigger one is also available. I think this is the middle one. I guess it is for 90 rupees. It is 50 ml of product. Very good affordable option. You could try. It gives you a smoother finish of hair. Use this on a wet hair. Once you come out of your shower, you can travel dry it and you can use this, and it is amazing product for this price range, and I would highly suggest you to check this out. So let's come to the face. So I've been using Clean and Clear face wash for a while. This is an it is a clear fairness face wash, and the main thing which I was looking for a good face wash is that I was frequently getting acne and all. So you can go with 2 products if you have a very acne prone skin, which up to my knowledge, one is Clean and Clear and another one is Neutrogena products. I chose Clean and Clear, and this is quite a good product, I would say. And for the price range, it is oil free and it won't clog the pores. Everything is mentioned here, and this retails for, I guess, 105 for 80 grams of product. It's quite affordable too, and it has got various ingredients like lauric acid, mystaric acid, glycerin, stearic acid, propyl glycol, and it has got some flower extracts also. So this is very good for a very good option, one of the very good option for acne prone skin, and you can go with this product. It doesn't even dry out your skin. Even though I have a normal to combination skin kind of person, like it doesn't dry out much. If you have extremely dry skin, it might dry you out, so you have to take that into consideration. Apart from that, this is a good Patanjali's aloe vera gel. This is Suganya, I think, Soundarya aloe vera gel, which comes in this yellow color product. And there is one more option also. That is a green one. It's a normal plain one, and this is Kesar Chandan. It's a mix of Kesar. It comes in. You can use it in various form. like as a moisturizer you can use, as a night cream you can use, or you can use it as a primer underneath your makeup too. And it is a very good option for oily skin person, as it will not dry, like as it will not dry out your skin also, and it will not make your skin oily also. Yeah, it is rupees 50 for 60 ml of product. It is very affordable. So next in the list is my favorite, my all-time favorite that I would purchase. I'm purchasing it again and again. So that is this Biotique's honey water toner, and this is my favorite toner of all time. Almost, I think this is now currently I'm using the 3rd bottle or 4th bottle, but still I have a backup too. So I'll be using this continuously. I'll be purchasing it continuously, and it is the dearest, one of my dearest product, and it retails for 175 rupees for 120 ml of product. And if I'm using it like daily, twice or thrice. Whenever I wash my face, after that I'll just go with this. I'll just put it in cotton wool and I'll just wipe it across my face. So which means I'm going to tell you, like I'm telling you this because I use it continuously, like daily, twice or thrice I use it, and it comes for around 45 days to 1 month to 45 days it comes. And like it has got all the natural thing, like natural ingredients like Majupal gulls, gajar seeds, manjishta, gulabi petal, madhu, japa flower. So everything, almost everything, all the products are from natural recipe, and it is a very best, one of the best affordable toner, I would say. In the list is this Micellar Garnier's Micellar water. It comes in 2 sizes, and even this is one of my favorite and dearest product. I have almost completed this one, and I think 2 more I've completed, and I'm going to complete 1 more bottle now. And this is awesome. Like you have got 2 variants in them. This is oil infused cleansing water for waterproof makeup, and there's one more thing I think which comes in the pink coding, which is for a normal micellar water, but this is oil infused for, especially for waterproof makeup. And this clears out almost all the makeup. It takes out almost all the waterproof makeup too, until and unless if it is very stubborn waterproof product like Maybelline Superstay matte ink lipstick. So that is quite a stubborn lipstick. So even that's quite, it was slightly difficult for this to just take out that particular lipstick. But apart from that, it takes out maximum waterproof makeup it takes out. So this one retails for rupees 225, and the bigger size retails for around 400 something. Next in the list is this Garnier's Wrinkle Lift Cream, anti-aging cream. As I've hit my 30s, as I'm in early 30s, I thought I should start my anti-aging routine. So I'm using this cream, and this is absolutely good, very good cream. And I've already purchased, like I have a backup too. I've completed this, and I have 2 more with me now. And even today I've used the same cream. Whenever you apply this, it doesn't give you a greasy or patchy look whenever you go with this cream. So, and it smells good too. This is a very good option. I would suggest if you're nearing your 30s, you can very well go with this. That's it with the skincare and hair care. Next comes the makeup. So the first one in the list is this CC cream. I have completed many, and like I've just taken one and kept it with me. This is Lakme CC Cream. I use it for every day. Like when you're going for a office or like college, you can use this for everyday look, and this is absolutely super product. So whenever I use this, I get many compliments, like very good compliments whenever I use this. And the finish of this is very good, and you don't want any brushes or many tools to apply this. So you can use your fingers, and it works best with your fingers. And it is available in various I think 2 or 3 sizes, and this one is like it's in the shade bronze. One more good thing is that it has got SPF factor in it, and with PA++, which is ideal for your sunscreen. It acts as a sunscreen also. That is one more good thing. It retails for rupees 99, and the bigger version, I think it is for 350 kind of range. Like I'll just put it here, the price range, or I'll just put it all the links in the description bar, so you can if you're a college going girl or a office going person, this one is for you. And you have to choose your right shade, so that is more important. Next is the foundation, which is Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I have one more like tube packaging. That's one more now newly they've launched the tube packaging too. I'm using that one, and it is a medium to full coverage foundation, which has got a very good coverage too, and it is very comfortable to use. And the only disadvantage is that it comes in this like bottle. There is no pump or something to dispense the product, but you can go with the like tube packaging, which is very good for traveling too. This range is available, I think 15 shades or 16 shades available in this bottle packaging, but in tube packaging the shade range is quite less, and hopefully like they will introduce, Maybelline may introduce a little more shades in them too. So that's it for this. I'll make a like detailed review of this product later on. Next one is a setting powder, which is from primer plus matte powder foundation from Lakme 9 to 5 range. And this one, if you are not looking, if you don't want any cream products to apply, maybe you don't want any foundation or CC cream, but you want a good looking like a good presentable look, you can go with this 9 to 5 powder. Like there's one more thing in MAC, that is MAC Studio Fix powder foundation, but it is very expensive. It is almost for 2,500 rupees, wherein this retails for around 550 rupees for 9 grams of product, and you can very well go with this. So one more good thing is that you have got mirror and the sponge separately attached with this, and it is a travel friendly. You can just put it in your purse and you can just give a touch up whenever you go out, and this one is for you. Next one is this makeup fixer spray from Stay the Day finishing mist from Color Bar. It's 100 ml of product, which retails for rupees 850. Now I think it retails for 900 and something, 950 or something, and the current prices. And this is a good mist which you can go for, but I would not preferably I would not go with this again, because I have a Blue Heavens fixer which is retails for rupees 300, but with the same quantity, and which does a very good job. Then why I'm going for a 950 rupees product, so I might not purchase it again, but it's a good product to try. Next one is the Kajal. This is from L'Oreal, and this I got it from as a complimentary, but if I want to purchase, I will not repurchase it again, because I don't like I don't like a shiny thing like eyeliners. I prefer matte eyeliners, but as I got it from complimentary, I thought I can use it. It's a smudge proof, and like apart from that, everything is nice. But if you don't mind using the shining liner, you can very well use this. But apart from that, like everything is nice in them. 2 kajals with me. As you know, I'm a kajal person. I often use kajal when like my makeup is incomplete with the kajal, so I often use them. Like I have 2 with them now. There was one more thing, but I threw it out. So it is Nykaa's 24/7 kajal. So this is Nykaa's 24/7 kajal, and this one is Maybelline's Colossal kajal. So I've completed both, and I've completed many kajals like Lakme's iconic kajal. Also I've completed like Nykaa's one more the sharpening type, that is I am kajal. I am black kajal, I guess. Even I have completed that, and I am using the second one. So kajals I often finish it off very quickly. So as you know, like these both are very good kajals, but as of now I'm trying other products too. Then one more thing is I forgot to mention, it is Lakme's sunscreen compact. So I'm using one more, like it's almost second pack I've completed. And if you don't want to use cream, as I said, if you don't want to use cream as a sunscreen, so whenever I step out, probably in the morning when I just want to leave my children to school, so I usually have this on top, and I'll just go and drop them and come back. So in that cases this compact is very good. So that's it guys for today, and I hope you liked this video. If you did so, please give me a good fat thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Samyukta Vinod, and like my Facebook page Samyukta Vinod YouTube for more such updates. And if you'd like to see any other videos, you please comment in the comment section below so that I can create videos for you, and I would highly appreciate if you give me more suggestions, like video suggestions. So it is highly appreciable. Please do. Yeah. So thank you.